Good morning, student. Today, 11th class chemistry class. Today, 11th chemistry class. Okay. Previous lesson name is atomic structure. The lesson name is atomic structure. That is the previous class you are learning about quantum numbers. Then shapes of orbitals. Shapes of orbitals. Previous class you are learning about shapes of atomic orbital. Okay. There is a continuity. First, two type of explanation for shape of orbital. One is a boundary surface diagram. Boundary surface. This is the previous class learning about boundary surface diagram. Second one, charge cloud diagram. Charge cloud. That is electron charge. It's not a point charge. That is expanded in a cloud form. Electron is a. It's not a point charge. It's expanded in a cloud form. That is a charge cloud form diagram. Charge cloud diagram. So an alternate way for describing probability. Probability of finding electron. That is a psi squared. That is a wave function. Psi squared. Modulus psi squared is the probability of finding electron. Probability of finding electron is the maximum. There is a probability in terms of negative charge cloud. That is this is one of the alternate way. This is the first way. This is the second way. Alternate way to describe probability. Probability of electron finding where this electron is located in terms of negative charge cloud. That is a negative charge cloud, how it will be expanded and which area electron cloud is present and which area electron cloud is absent. That is a nodal. Okay, now you will see. The charge cloud is represented by the dot. The charge cloud represented by the dots. And the probability of finding electron in a particular region is directly proportional to the density of electron. So, in the area electron probability finding is directly proportional to the density. In the area density of electron is a maximum. That area is known as probability of finding electron. Probability of finding electron is a maximum. And the area of such orbital is in the region. And the area of the orbital present. Okay. Now example the charge cloud diagram for s orbital. 1s, 2s, 2p, 2 3s orbitals. 1s orbital. Here boundary is not present. Last boundary in the surface diagram. Here boundary is not present. Only cloud expansion. This is the electron cloud. Is the expansion in a particular region. This region, electron cloud. That is the probability of finding electron is a maximum. That is 1s. That is orbital. This is the 1s orbital. Now 2s orbital. In center, electron is present and there is a gap here. No probability of finding electron is 0. This area. Probability of finding electron is 0. Finding electron is 0. So in the area, electron absent, no electron. In this area, electron is absent, no electron. So this area is known as nodal. This is known as node. Probability of finding electron is 0. That is known as node. Node and what is happening on the area? Electron absent. That area, electron is absent is known as node. That area is electron is absent. That is node. Then here electron is present. Is that electron is present? This is a 2s orbital. So only one node. Here electron absent. Here electron and here is electron is present. Here no boundary actually. There is no boundary. Cloud expansion. Actually, the drop on the is okay. No boundaries. This is a 2s orbital. Now 3s orbitals. The electron is a density is present here. Then electron density probability of finding electron is maximum. Then maximum. Here two nodes. This and this area. Probability of finding electron 0. Finding of electron is 0. That is node. In the area, na node. How many nodes? Only 1 and 2 nodes. The 3s orbital is 2 nodes. 3s orbital is 3 nodes. 3s orbital is 2 nodes. Okay. This is a s orbital charge cloud diagram. S orbital charge cloud diagram. Now p orbital charge cloud diagram. We will discuss. So s orbital over. Next p orbital charge cloud diagram. P orbital charge cloud diagram. Now you see for p orbital there are 3 possible orientations. How many orientations? 3 possible x and y and z axis. 3 possible orientations. These 3 orientations are designated as px, py and pz. Px, py and pz. These are 3 direction orientations: px, py and pz. Now L is equal to 1, that is known as p orbital. You know, previous class we learning about assuming the quantum number L is equal to 1 is equal to p orbital. In this p orbital, m value 2l plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 values. M magnetic quantum number. This is a magnetic quantum number. Assuming the quantum number L is equal to 1, that is a p orbital. So ml value, magnetic quantum number 2l plus 1, that is a 2 into L. L value is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 values. 3 values are starting from minus 1, 0 plus 1. Minus 1, 0 plus 1. Minus 1, 0 plus 1. This is a 3 value. 3 values. Okay, here minus 1, px orbitals. This is the p orbitals. Px, py, pz. Px, py, pz. That is px plus 1, px plus 1, pz, py, 0, minus 1. That is plus 1 indicating px orbital. Magnetic quantum number 3. P orbital magnetic quantum number 3. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. Plus 1 indicating px orbital. Plus 1 indicating, that is the ml value for p orbital. Plus 1 indicating px orbital. 0 indicating pz orbital. Minus 1 indicating py orbital. You note down. These 3 p orbitals, px, py, pz orbitals, size same, size, energy same, shape, size and energy same. You know, energy same, that is known as degenerate orbital. Energy same, that is known as degenerate orbitals. Energy same is known as degenerate orbitals. Okay, you note down this. I will write the statement form. Next, px, what is the value? Plus 1. Py minus 1 and Pz 0. Pz 0. Okay. Now Px orbitals lie in x-axis. Py orbitals lies on y-axis. Pz orbitals lies on z-axis. Lies on z-axis. Okay. Now I will draw the charge cloud form diagram for Px. P orbital charge cloud diagram. Charge cloud diagram for P orbitals. That is P orbital, particularly Px. This is x direction, this is y direction, this is the direction not there. So Px orbitals charge cloud diagram. Here charge is a distance. Charge in a cloud form present. Charge in a cloud form present. So in this area, probability of finding electron 0. Probability of finding electron finding electron 0. So in the area, like electron absent in this area. So this is known as node. This point is known as node. This is known as node. Probability of finding electron is 0. That is known as node. That is known as node. Okay. Okay. Now you see to our plane. Plane. This plane is known as nodal plane. Nodal plane. Nodal plane. Nodal plane. Nodal plane. Okay. This is the Px. Now Py orbitals. X-axis, y-axis. This is a Py orbitals. Electron is present in a cloud form, not point charge. Not point charge. So this area is known as node. This area is a node. Now this is a nodal plane. This plane is a nodal plane because this plane passing through the nodal point. This is the nodal point. This plane passing through the nodal plane is known as nodal. That is known as nodal plane. Now P is the orbitals. This is the electron charge cloud. This is cloud form electron present. This is known as node. This is known as node. This is known as node. Okay. Now this is a positive loop. This is a negative loop. In a loop, that is a two loop. We are in the previous class we are learning about PR is a two loop. This is a positive loop. This is a negative loop. This is also positive loop, negative loop. This is a positive and negative loops. Okay. These two loops. This is a positive or negative sign indicating for solution of Schrodinger equation. Positive value or negative values. This is a nodal plane. This is known as nodal plane and nodal point. This is a p orbital, atomic shape of atomic orbital for p orbitals. Okay. Now next d orbitals. Next d orbitals. Okay, you note down this p orbital, px, py, and pz. That is the p orbitals, 3p orbital. This is a degenerate orbital. degenerate orbital because equal energy. In absence of electrical field and magnetic field, in electrical field and magnetic field, the 3p orbital one are. Now you apply the electrical field. The electrical field applies. You apply the electric current or field. What happens is p orbital splitting px and pyz. This effect is known as Stark effect. Electrical field split ana, that is known as Stark effect. They the same magnetic field. Magnetic field. Magnet apply. This 3 orbital splitting px, py, pz. This is known as Zeeman effect. Previous class we learned about Stark effect and Zeeman effect. Okay, you know down this. Next, d orbital. The d orbital charge cloud. Charge cloud. D orbital charge cloud diagram. Charge cloud diagram. Charge cloud diagram. Okay. D orbital is 5 dxy dyz dxz dx square minus y square dz square. Okay, these 3 are the same size, same and energy. This is known as degenerate orbital. 5 orbital degenerate. This is also T2G orbital. Previous class we learning about T2G orbital. We studied 12th level study this 3 orbital of T2G orbital. These 2 orbital EG orbital. In the 3 orbital, axis in between axis level, axis central level. But these 2 orbital along the axis. These 2 orbital along the axis are present. Okay, I will draw the diagram. First I will draw the charge diagram for 3. First dxy dyz. Double dumbbell shape, d orbital shape, double dumbbell shape, double dumbbell shape. Okay, now I will draw it. dxy. This is x direction, y direction. Now in between axis. This is the one dumbbell pair. This is the second dumbbell shape. Clover leaf na seated clover leaf shape or double dumbbells. Now dxy next electron cloud. This is the electron cloud. Here no boundary. The boundary absent. This is the boundary. No boundary. The electron cloud is present. Electron cloud is present. So this area, what? This area is a node. This area is known as node. This area is a node. This area is a node. Now dyz. Next orbital dyz. You consider this axis a y. You consider y. This is a z. This is the electron cloud. This is also electron cloud. Okay. This area is a node. This area is a node. This area is a node. Now dxz. Third one is a dxz orbital. This is x-axis. This is a z-axis. This is a electron cloud. This is the electron cloud. This is a node. This is known as node. This area is a node. This area is a node. Okay. This is a 3 electron d orbital. Another 2. These 3 orbitals have same energy. These 3 orbitals have same energy, same, and then size also, because all are in between axis. In between axis, not along the axis. Now next, dx square minus y square. This is x, y. Okay. Now electron along the axis. Electron is louder along the axis. This is along the axis. Electron loud x axis. Now y axis. Okay, this is a node. This is a node. This is a node. This is a node. Now, d is a square orbital is a what? Dark knot shape. Down knot shape or dark knot shape. Okay, this shape. Z axis, x axis is considered one loop. Then here. Okay, now electron down. First loop. This is 2-dimensional problem. Okay, here d is a square orbital. Node absent. Node is absent in d is a square orbital. D is a square orbital. D is a square orbital. Is a node is a absent. Node is a absent. Okay. Node is a absent. This is a shapes of atomic orbitals. Okay. That is a S P D charge cloud diagram and the boundary surface diagram is over. Okay. Next topic. Nodal. Finding the nodal place. Finding the nodal place. Graph and I explain one graph. Graph for wave equation S orbital, P orbital. Graph. This is a radial property R. Wave function. Now 2s orbital. This is a node. This is a node. 2s orbital diagram. Node. 2p orbital diagram. R. This is a node. This is a node. Problem of finding electrons. Here, finding electrons. Then next graph. X-axis R, Y-axis 4 by R square. Is not there in the textbook? No doubt. 2s orbitals, 1s orbital. R 4 by R square. No nodes. No nodes. Okay, this is not necessary, but you learn. Okay, that's all. Next, finding of nodes. How many nodes present in each orbital? How many nodes are present? Nodes and property of finding electron is 0. And the area electron is less. That is known as node. That is known as node. Probability of finding electron is this node. First node. You consider this node. Okay. Node now what is the definition? Probability of finding electron is 0. Probability of finding electron is a 0. Finding electron is a 0. That is psi square equal to 0. The solution is electron absent. That is known as node. That is a node. Psi square is equal to 0. Okay, here two type of nodes. Nodes are two types. One is a spherical node. Second one angular node. Angular nodes. Okay. Formula is very important. So many times asking me questions and JIE question. Angular node. Okay. First is spherical node. What is the meaning of spherical node? Okay. Definition: the spherical surface. 3-dimensional spherical surface where probability of finding electron is 0. Where the probability of finding electron is 0. Electron spherical surface, 3-dimensional surface, the probability of finding electron is 0 is known as spherical node. That is a spherical node or radial node. Another name is radial node. Going to formula: number of spherical node is equal to n minus l minus 1. Number of spherical node is equal to n minus l minus 1. Number of spherical node is equal to n minus l minus 1. N is a principal quantum number, l is azimuthal quantum number, minus 1. Principal quantum number is the azimuthal quantum. Subtraction பண்ணி 1 subtract பண்ணா spherical node is a presence. Okay. Now second, angular node. No definition. Please note of formula. Angular node. That is number of angular node. Angular position of finding electron is 0. It is a formula N. Angular node is equal to azimuthal quantum number. Number of angular node is equal to azimuthal quantum number. So total number of node. Final formula: total number of nodes is equal to sum of the spherical node and this angular node. Spherical node plus angular node. Spherical node and angular node. What is a spherical node? N minus L minus 1. This is a spherical node. N minus L minus 1. Angular node. What is this? L. Then they add this minus plus L. Minus L plus L cancel. So what is the answer? N minus 1. So total number of nodes. So here three formulas. One number of spherical node n minus L minus 1. Angular node L azimuthal quantum number. Angular node depending on azimuthal quantum number. But spherical node depending on angular momentum azimuthal quantum number. But total number of node only depending on principal quantum number. Okay. Now I will do this problem solving the problem for nodes. Nodes the problems. Notes the problem. You see the problems. First question. write the angular and spherical nodes in the following. Question A 3p orbital. Question B 3d orbital. Question C 2s orbital. Question D 3s orbital. Question D 3s orbital. Question D. You know what is the formula? Spherical node. Spherical nodes n minus l minus 1. Angular nodes what? L. Total nodes n minus 1. The question now what is this? Angular and spherical node. Okay. First 3p orbital. You consider this spherical node. What is the formula? N minus L minus 1. Spherical node n value now. It's a 3. Third cell. P orbital. L value 1. That is L value 0. S orbital L value 1 P 2 D L is equal to 3 F L is equal to 4 G L is equal to 5 H and I. Enough? So L is equal to 3 P orbital L value now. That is a 1. L value is a 1. L value is a 1. You substitute. Spherical node. What is the formula? N minus L minus 1. N value 3. L value 1. That is 3 minus 2. That is a 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. How many spherical nodes? Only 1 for 3p orbital. Now, angular nodes. Angular nodes. What is this? Formula N. That is the number of angular nodes is equal to asymptotic quantum number. What is asymptotic quantum number? P orbital 1. That is angular node is equal to 1. Total nodes for 3p orbitals. Spherical node, angular node. Sum of the spherical node. 1, angular node 1. 1 plus 1, that is total number of nodes 2. For 2 area, the probability of finding an atom is 0. 2 regions, the probability of finding an atom is 0. And the region the electron I find out. Okay. That next formula. Second question. B 3D. Now spherical node. N value now what is that? 3. D value 2. Now D value 2 minus 1. That is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Spherical node is 0. Spherical node 0. Angular node. That is L. That is what is L value? 2. L is equal to 0 na S. L is equal to 1 P. L is equal to 3 na D. 2 na D. 1 na P. 2 na D. That is the angular node. Total nodes. Sum of the 0 plus 2. That is 2. Okay. Our formula. Total nodes ke inverse formula. That is N minus 1. For the value is correct or the n minus 1. N value is 3 minus 1, that is 2 is come to us. Okay. Now total node sum of the spherical node and angular node. 0 plus 2 2. Another indoor formula total node n minus 1. N is principal quantity number 3 1 minus 1 2. Okay. The second C. Answer C. 2s. Spherical node. What is a node? Spherical node. N value 2 minus L. S is 0 minus 1. That is 1. Angular node. L value that is a 0. Angular node is a 0. Because L is equal to 0. S orbital angular 0. Total nodes 1 plus 0, that is a 1. In the formula is 1, n minus 1, n value 2 minus 1, 1, that is a 1. Okay, this is a 2s orbital. Now 3s orbitals. 3s orbital nodes. Question number D, 3s orbital. Spherical nodes. S node, spherical nodes. 3 S orbital L is 0, n minus L minus 1, that is 2. Spherical node is a 2. Angular nodes, that is angular node L is 0. Total nodes 2 plus 1 0, that is a 2. Are using the in the form 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, that is a 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, that is a total nodes for 3s orbital. 2 nodes for 3s orbital. 2 area of finding of probability of finding electron is a 0, and the 2 region the electron find out absent. 2 region the absent, that is known as node. Okay, now we will see the question answers. 5 questions is there. Neat question, all question neat JEE questions based on this quantum numbers also. Question 1. Which of the d orbitals? Which of the d orbitals lies in the xy plane? xy plane la endha orbital present along the axis, not in between the axis. Option A dxz, option B dxy, option C dx squared minus y squared, option D dxy and dx squared minus y squared. Question, understand the question. Which of the d orbital, எந்த d orbitals lies in the xy plane ல இருக்கும்? எந்த d orbital வந்து plane ல இருக்கும்? This d orbital dxy, dyz and dxz in between axis. எல்லா axis in between, but in the orbital x y plane lies in the plane. So this is the answer. Option A கிடையாது, option B கிடையாது, because in between axis. C வந்து lies on the plane. D பார்த்தோம்னா 2 orbital கொடுத்திருக்காங்க dxy in between axis, not lying in the plane. இது வந்து plane. So this option wrong. So option C is the correct. Option C is the correct. Option C is the correct. Okay, now second question. The wave function psi in the Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger wave equation. Reference. Here the reference point and question. Option A. And all the question is a neat and JEE question. Okay. Option A, probability of the electron. Probability of the finding electron. Option B, amplitude of the wave. Amplitude of the wave. Option C, frequency of the wave. Frequency of the wave. Option D, speed of the wave. Speed of the wave. Okay. The 4 options are more or less similar. Okay. I will explain. question you understand. The wave function psi in the Schrödinger equation. Schrödinger equation வந்து டீல் பண்றது எலக்ட்ரான் வந்து வேவ் நேச்சர்னு டீல் பண்றாங்க. Now previously பார்த்திருக்கோம் dual nature, D Broglie dual nature of matter. Matter electron. Electron is behaving particle as well as wave. Electron வந்து behave particle ஆவும் behave பண்ணும் as well as wave nature ஆவும் behave பண்ணும். அந்த wave nature ஆயிட்டா அதோட function and wave nature. Wave function psi in the Schrödinger equation reference. Psi வந்து that is how to reference psi, psi, psi. How to pronounce this word as psi? Do you know? That is a psi. Okay? Yeah, probability of finding electron. That is known as probability of finding electron is maximum is known as psi square. That is psi square. Probability of finding electron. Maximum orbital. எந்த ஏரியால எலக்ட்ரான் அதிகமா இருக்கிறத இண்டிகேட் பண்றது psi square. நான் क्वेश्चन என்ன psi என்ன கேக்குறேன். psi னா என்ன கேக்குறேன். But this option A dealing with for psi square. Amplitude of the wave. Amplitude is the electron is orbit. Electron is behaving wave nature na. இந்த மாதிரி wave nature இருக்கும். This amplitude is the psi. This is the answer correct. Amplitude of the wave. Now psi oda deal பண்ணும். Frequency of the wave என்னது? One particular time la எவ்வளவு waves travel அது கிடையாது. Speed of the wave. So answer என்ன? Amplitude of the wave. First one probability of finding electron. அதுக்கு deal பண்ணுது. Okay. First one probability of finding electron deal பண்ணுது. Then next question. Three question I will write down. Then we copy it. Third question. Which of the following is d orbital has downward shape. D-O-U-G-H not shape. Option A dxy. Option B dyz. Option C dx square minus y square dz square. Fourth question. The number of node in 3D orbital. Option A 3D orbital is 0, B1, C2, D3. Fifth question. In an atomic orbital, the sign of the loop, positive sign or negative sign of the loops. Sign of the loops indicates the option 4 option is right. Option A, sign of the probability distribution. Option B, sign of charge. Option C, sign of the wave function. Sign of the wave function. Sign of the wave function. Option D, presence or absence of electron. presence or absence of electron. Okay, the three questions now we are discussing about. MCQ question. Question number 3. Which of the following d orbital has downward shape and what is the name? Downward shape. That is the shape. This orbital shape and what? Downward shape. D is a square. So answer, what is the answer? D is a square orbital is a downward shape. This is a neat question. Second question. The total number of nodes in 3D orbital. Total number of nodes formula. What is the formula? Here does not mention spherical node, angular node. Only number of nodes. So total number of nodes. What is the formula? N minus 1. N value. What is the value of n value? 3. 1, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. What is the answer? That is answer is 2. Option C. Now, final question. In an atomic orbital, the sign of the loops indicating sign of the loop. For example, positive p orbital, px orbital. You consider this. Okay, this is a positive sign. This is a negative sign. This is a negative sign. This is a positive sign. Negative sign and positive sign. This sign indicating sign of loops of the indicator. Orbital atomic orbital sign. Positive sign, negative sign. First option. Sign of the probability of distribution. Probability distribution is psi square. Finding of that. Sign of the charge or sign is electron charge minus positive charge is not applicable. Sign of the wave function is applicable. This is the correct answer. Presence and absence of electron energy. That is a psi square. Presence value. Absence 0. Psi square is 0 na absence of electron. Psi square is 0 na absence of electron. Psi square is value na presence of electron. Okay. So this answer is sign of the wave function da read pannu. Positive sign and negative sign. Okay. That's all. Okay. Today this topic over. Okay. Quantum numbers and shape of the atomic numbers, atomic orbitals is over. Okay. We will see the next class, energy of orbital, the orbital energy, S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital energy, orbitals energy. அதுக்கப்புறம் 3 principle இருக்கு. ஆல்ஃபா principle, Pauli exclusion principle, Kunz rule, maximum multiplicity. 3 principle oda the lessons over. The lesson and then electronic configuration of element. That's all. This lesson is over. Within 2 class I will complete this lessons. Okay. You know doubt. Today I am discussing about neat question also. Okay. You write down. Thank you.